Does the pursuit of knowledge ever truly reach an endpoint? Or is it an ongoing quest, a never-ending journey filled with twists, turns, and tantalizing mysteries just out of reach? The beauty of science lies not in the certainties, but in the uncertainties, in the questions that remain unanswered, the mysteries that persist. Here we delve into 5 areas of scientific uncertainty where the boundaries of our understanding are continually being pushed and refined. First, consider the enigma of dark matter and dark energy. These elusive entities are thought to make up a staggering 95% of the universe's mass energy content, yet our understanding of them remains largely in the shadows. We infer their existence from their gravitational effects, but direct observation? That's a challenge yet to be conquered. Then there's the quest for quantum gravity, a unified theory that can reconcile the seemingly disparate realms of quantum mechanics and general relativity. It's a puzzle that continues to confound, a riddle that's yet to be solved. Whether it's string theory, loop quantum gravity, or another yet undiscovered approach, the search for a theory of everything continues. Let's not forget the nature of consciousness, a mystery that straddles the boundary between science and philosophy. How do physical processes in the brain give rise to subjective experience? Neuroscience has made great strides, but a complete explanation remains tantalizingly out of reach. B-roll change. We see a close-up shot of a scientist in a lab looking through a microscope. The camera pans out to reveal a bustling lab with researchers working on various experiments. Back to script. Consciousness is a complex phenomenon that has fascinated thinkers for centuries. From Descartes' dualism to modern theories of neural correlates, the quest to understand consciousness continues. But as we delve deeper into the workings of the brain, new questions arise. B-roll change. We transition to a shot of a brain scan being conducted. The camera zooms in to show the intricate details of the brain's neural networks. Back to script. One of the key challenges in studying consciousness is the subjective nature of experience. Each individual's perception is unique, making it difficult to objectively measure and analyze. Yet researchers have devised clever experiments to study consciousness indirectly. B-roll change. We cut to a montage of different experimental setups, including participants in sensory deprivation chambers and brain imaging studies. The visuals highlight the diversity of approaches used in consciousness research. Back to script. One such experiment involves studying the phenomenon of blind sight, where individuals with damage to their visual cortex can still respond to visual stimuli they claim not to see. This suggests that consciousness may not be necessary for certain aspects of visual processing. B-roll change. We switch to a shot of a person with blind sight performing a visual task, such as reaching for an object they claim not to see. The camera focuses on their hand movements and the object, emphasizing the disconnect between conscious awareness and motor responses. Back to script. While these findings shed light on the relationship between consciousness and perception, they also raise further questions. How can we reconcile the existence of unconscious processing with our subjective experience of the world? And what about other aspects of consciousness, such as self-awareness and introspection? B-roll change. We transition to a series of images depicting different aspects of consciousness, including a person looking in a mirror and a brain scan showing activity in regions associated with self-reflection. The visuals symbolize the complexity of consciousness and the ongoing quest for understanding. Back to script. As we continue to explore the nature of consciousness, it is clear that the answers lie at the intersection of science, philosophy, and perhaps even spirituality. The journey to unravel the mysteries of consciousness is far from over, but with each new discovery, we come closer to unlocking the secrets of our own minds. B-roll change. We end with a sweeping aerial shot of a serene natural landscape, symbolizing the vastness of the unknown and the awe-inspiring beauty of the world that consciousness allows us to experience. Next, the values of fundamental physical constants. The speed of light, gravitational constant, Planck constant, are foundational to our understanding of physics. But are they truly constant? Could they vary over time or in different regions of the universe? Some theories suggest this could be the case, prompting further investigation. Finally, the origin of life, a question as old as humanity itself. From simple molecules to complex self-replicating entities, the journey of life's emergence remains shrouded in mystery. Whether it's abiogenesis, panspermia, or another yet-to-be-discovered pathway, the definitive answer eludes us. In conclusion, these areas of uncertainty highlight not the weaknesses of science but its strengths. Science thrives on the unknown, on skepticism, on the continual pursuit of knowledge. From the nature of dark matter and dark energy to the origin of life, science is an ever-evolving tapestry, woven from the threads of curiosity, investigation, and discovery. Remember, it's not about finding the final answer, but about the journey to unravel the mysteries of the universe.